Good afternoon, dear friends. My name is Stanislav Okvat. I'm a developer of productivity tools for translators, editors, and LSPs. These are TransTools, TransTools Plus, and several others. Less than 1 month remains until UTCamp 2020 conference opens its doors and windows to all of you. So it's high time to book a comfortable seat in the front rows. I would like to invite you to my presentation called Preparing Word, Excel, and PowerPoint Files Before and After Translation. For most of us, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are the most common document formats. Our favorite CAD tools make it easy to translate them. So it's difficult sometimes to resist the temptation to import and translate these files right away without taking the time to prepare them before translation. And it's equally hard to keep from sending the files to the customer right after export. If you rely on your CAD tool too much, you're going to run into difficulties during translation or encounter quality issues with the final document. For example, you can get excessive tags or incorrect paragraph breaks that make it more difficult to translate the file and format it afterwards. Some of the text in the translated document may become invisible in tables and text boxes. You may need to ignore text that does not require translation or submit a dual language document to the customer. Finally, your CAD tool may not import all the text that needs translating unless you change the import settings. And in some cases, the only way to translate certain document content, such as embeddings, is to do that manually. That's why it is so important to work on the documents before and after the CAD tool. In my presentation, I will tell you how to analyze and process Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents before and after translation to address these scenarios. It is going to be very useful for freelance translators, LSP project managers, and DTP specialists. My presentation will take place on Wednesday, July 22 at 3 p.m. Central European Time. Join me both online and from the conference venue. I'm excited to share my solutions and experience with all of you. See you at UTCamp 2020.